Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, in our previous video and regular classes, we already studied forward counting 1 till 100. So children, today we will write forward counting 1 till 100 in our number concept series book 2. Children, this is your number concept series book 2. Now open at page number 76 and 77. So children, start counting with me. Okay children, write 1. And what's come after 1? 2. We will start in units. Okay, write 1, 2, 3, 4. What's come after 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 0, 10. This is 1, 10. So we will write here 1 and 0, 10. Make 10. Now what's come after 10? Yes, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, and 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and what's come after 19? Yes, 2, 0, 20. 2 tens. Now we have 2 tens here. So we will write here 2, 0, 20. Now children, tell me what's come after 20? Yes, we will start line of 20, 10. 2 tens and 1 makes 21. Now, what's come after 21? 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29. Now we will write 3 tens and 0 units make 3, 0, 30. 10, 20, and 30. Now we will start the line of 30. 3 tens and 1 make 31. 3 tens and 2 makes 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. Now we will write 4 tens and 0 make 4, 0, 40. 10, 20, 30, and 40. So we will start the line of 40. 4 tens and 1 make 40. So children, 4 tens and 2 make 42. 4 tens and 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. Now we will write 5 tens and 0, 5, 0, 50. So children, now come to the next page. Page number 77. Now we will write 5 tens and 1 make 51. The line of 50. So we will write here 51. 5, 2, 52. 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. 5, 6, 56. 5, 7, 57. 5, 8, 58. 5, 9, 59. And 6 tens and 0 makes 6, 0, 60. Now we will start the line of 60. So write here 60 and 1, 6, 1 makes 61. 10, 6 are makes 60. 6 tens and 2 units make 62. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 70. Now we will write here 7 tens and 0 units makes 70. 60, 70. Now we will write 7 tens and 1 units make 71. Now 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and now we will write 8 tens and 0 units make 80, 80. Now we will start the 8 tens and 1 unit. 8, 1, 81. The line of 80s. 8, 2, 82. 8, 3, 83. 8, 4, 84. 8, 5, 85. 8, 6, 86. 8, 7, 87. 8, 8, 88. 8, 9, 89. 9 tens and 0 units makes 90, 90. So children, last line is 90. We will write here 9 because 9 is 10 nines make 90. Don't write here. This is a line of 100. Okay? Write here 9 tens and 1 makes 91. 9, 1 and 2 units makes 92. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Now we will make 1, 00, hundreds. 100 and 0 10 and 0 units make 100. It's 100. So children, you will complete these 2 pages at home in the guidance of your parent. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.